This learning is the Ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Terumos Perek Mishna Gimel. In the previous Mishnah, we learned about a case where there's a difference whether the person did the Isser b'Shegig or b'Mezid. And our Mishnah continues and teaches Hamat bil Kalim b'Shabbos, someone who tables Kalim on Shabbos, which is Osir because it looks like the person is being Masakin the Kli. So it depends. If it was done b'Shegig by mistake, Yishtamish b'hem, then the person is allowed to use it on that very Shabbos. He can use it right away. And if it was done Mezid on purpose, then Lo Yishtamish b'hem, a person is not allowed to use it on that Shabbos, and they could only begin using it after Shabbos. The Mishnah continues and teaches Hama'aser v'amevashal b'Shabbos, someone who separates meisers from produce, which is also because the person is being mesakin the produce, and someone who cooks on Shabbos, which is also menatera. So once again, it depends. If it was done shegig by mistake yechol, then the person could eat it. So by meisers, this means that the person could eat it right away. However, by cooking, which is also menatera, it means that the person is allowed to eat it after Shabbos. And if it was done mezid on purpose, then lo yechol, then the person is not allowed to eat it. And by meisers, it means that the person can eat it on Shabbos, and they have to wait until after Shabbos to eat it. And by cooking, it means that this person is never allowed to eat it, and only other people could eat it after Shabbos. The Mishnah continues, Haneteya b'Shabbos, someone who plants a tree on Shabbos, which is also menatera. So once again, it depends. If it was done shegig by mistake, then yikayim, then the person could leave what they did. And if it was done mezid on purpose, then yakar, then the person has to uproot it. So by planting, where a person could undo what they did, so if they did it on purpose, they have to undo it. And the Mishnah concludes, Uba shvi'is, and when it comes to shvi'is, so we're planting a tree is also usher. Over here, the halacha is bein shegig, bein mezid, yakar, whether a person did it by mistake or the person did it on purpose, they have to uproot it. And the reason for this is because Yidden are suspected when it comes to shvi'is. And so if we permit a person to keep it when they did it by mistake, then they're going to do it on purpose and say that it was done by mistake.